Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Mary Louisa. I am going to make something that I have never made before. So we're going to make this together. It is rice pudding, but I'm going to make it Latin style. My husband is from Ecuador, and his late mother used to make this arroz con leche, which is rice pudding. She used to make it every year at Easter time for Good Friday. So I am going to attempt to make this. Like I said, I've never made it before. So bear with me, and let's see what we come up with. It's going to be my own style, you know that. I follow recipes, but I always change a little bit. Anyways, okay, we're going to start off with, okay, because I'm making 2.5 cups of rice, I'm making enough rice pudding to serve, let's say, 10 people. So I'm using the medium grain rice, okay, which I'm gonna wash. I need to wash and rinse. Okay, before we even get to that, I need 15 cups of whole milk. So this is 8 cups. We're putting it into the pot that we're going to cook everything in. So that's 8 cups, and I need another 5. No, I need another 7. 8 and 8 is 16, minus 1 is 15, and I need 15 cups. So hopefully, oh, I might need more milk. Yep. That holds 5 cups of milk. So we got to get more milk. That's 5. We need 2 more cups of milk. Okay. 2 more cups of milk. So that is 15 cups of milk. I'm going to turn this on medium. Well, no, I'm going to put it up high for now. Let's say number 5 for now. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. In the meantime, we're also going to put the orange peel, the cinnamon stick. Okay. Doesn't say the orange. Just says orange peel. So we're going to cut up We're going to put that in there, in the milk. I've already washed my orange peel. I washed the orange. Oh, but I forgot to take the little sticker off. I tend to do that a lot, but whatever. So we're going to keep on adding this orange. That's going to give it a nice flavor. Okay, and we're going to add a cinnamon stick. Actually, I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to add 3. This looks like a lot of milk. So 3 cinnamon sticks. Okay, then we're going to add a pinch of salt. That, a dash of kindness. That's half, I didn't even put half. I didn't even put half a teaspoon. Maybe half of a half. Okay, so let's stir this up. Okay, and we're going to cover that. Okay, we're going to bring that to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, then we're going to add our rice, our washed and rinsed rice into that. Okay? Okay, so we got the milk with the cinnamon sticks and the orange peel. It's coming to a boil. I've already I've washed and rinsed the rice. So I'm going to add that to this, and I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to lower the heat to a medium-low, and we're just going to let it cook for about an hour. I'm sure that's what, yes, an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Once we get to that mark, then we're going to take the orange peel and the cinnamon out, and we're going to add our sugar and our raisins at the hour and 15 minute mark. Don't worry, we're doing this together. Okay, so I'm going to add this rice now. Yeah. I added, it was 2.5 cups of rice. Okay. Beautiful. So we're going to stir that every once in a while. We're going to stir it. And like I said, I'm going to bring the temperature down. I don't think I need to cover this right now. Actually, I'm not going to cover it right now. But I'm going to bring the temperature down to medium. Okay. We're going to keep on checking in on it. starting to look really good. Okay, I'm glad that I've been keeping an eye on this, because this has been half an hour. And in half an hour, this rice, actually it does say to put it on low heat for up to an hour and to check it or until the rice is tender. Well, you know what? This is tender. Okay, next step. Let's take these orange peel out. Okay, we're going to take the orange peel out because we're going to we're going to stir in the sugar and the raisins. Oh boy, that's hot. Okay. It's got to be oh, here's one more. I think this is the most work is to fish the stuff out of it. I think I got everything. Okay, now we're going to stir in the sugar and the raisins. I'm going to put that back on the heat. Stir it all in. Oh, and the butter. Let's not forget the butter. That's plenty of butter. Okay, so we're going to stir all that up together, and I still have it on very, very low heat. Oh, there is another little piece of orange. So we're going to incorporate all that together. And then we're going to add in the condensed milk. 1 cup of condensed milk. And that is going to bind it even more. It's going to look like a real pudding. That's really, really creamy. Condensed milk, and we're going to add one tablespoon of vanilla. Actually, there's so much pudding here that I can probably add another little bit. Which I will. Okay. Well, let me tell you, this smells delicious. It really does. So, you could also add a little bit of rum to this, but I don't drink, and so I don't like to add any kind of alcohol liquor to it. So that's it. We're going to shut that off. Now we're going to add the condensed milk. We're going to give that a stir. And we're going to just let it sit. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit at room temperature for about an hour. And then I'm going to place it in my serving bowl. Put a saran wrap over and put it in the fridge. So, this we're gonna have tomorrow. Now, what you can do is you can serve this hot, or you can serve it cold right from the fridge. But when you serve it, what you do is you put a little bit of cinnamon on top. Even though the cinnamon sticks did cook with it, the extra cinnamon on top tastes really good. Actually, what I'm going to do is when I put it in the in my serving bowl, I'm going to decorate it with the cinnamon on top. That way it's going to be ready for tomorrow. Look at that. Okay. I think we need to go in for a taste test. What do you think? Smells delicious. I surprise myself every time. It's delicious. I have to say, I think my mother-in-law up in heaven would be loving me right now. Delicious. Okay. Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this and keep on coming back. Thank you so much.